Meter.com today is talking to three fabulous singers. Oh my god, their voice. I'll say it's meditative. It gives you a different kind of thrill. And when we talk of art, I think a performing artist, anyone who is singing or dancing, is meditating in himself, herself, and also, taking the audience to a stage of meditation. We have three fabulous singers with us. Janvi Srimankar, Antara and Ankita, the Nandi sisters, as we know them. ताल तरंग, ये शो के बारे में अगर आप तीनों कहें कि ये शो आपके लिए क्या मायने रखता है, what does it mean to you?
I think from what I understand, Tal Tarang is a celebration of Gujarati culture, literature, music, heritage. And being a Gujarati, it is an honor to be a part of this show, and especially because it is happening at the Grand Theatre at Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Centre. So this is a very special show for me because I'm going to be performing here for the first time, and it means so much to me that from my hometown I'm going to be having so many people in the audience, about 2,000 people watching me, Gujaratis watching me perform Gujarati music, and to be performing with artists like Parthiv and Antara and Ankita also is such a pleasure. So this is how it is special to me.
For us, I think this is something we never saw coming. We are Bengalis, we are native Bengali speakers, and we grew up in Kolkata. But thankfully, we always had a lot of Gujarati people around us, be it in terms of our neighbors, our classmates.
In our school.
Yeah.
So, and we actually realized that Bengalis and Gujaratis have a lot of similarity in a lot of things.
Yeah.
Like, our shared love for food, our shared love for,
I think everything starts with
Yeah. For us, every conversation starts.
yeah.
And
The fact that Gujaratis worship Devi Ma while we do Durga Puja, and of course our shared love for art, music, dance and everything. Ankita and I, we started singing in a lot of languages during the lockdown just because we had a lot of time.
Yes.
And that's when Parthiv sir, unka badappan hai, he spotted us. And since then he's been guiding us. He's introduced us to amazing Gujarati music. I mean, we've always heard, but as teenagers growing up outside
Indian-
Gujarat,
yeah,
we'd
yeah.
only heard the filmy Gujarati music that
Yeah.
we hear. But since Parthiv sir has been guiding us and Janvi Di, we've been introduced to such amazing Gujarati music, and being a part of Tal Tarang is an honor for both of us. It's our first time at NMACC and at Grand Theatre. The first time that we are performing in NMACC, it's the Grand Theatre, so it's a lot of information to absorb and to process all these emotions together. We're excited, a little nervous. But I think at large we're just looking forward to having a lot of fun and learning from artists like Janvi Di and Parthiv. So we've only watched you all on screen, like on YouTube videos. So sharing the stage is a whole other ball game, and we can't wait for it to happen.
So I want to ask, both of you. I mean, Janvi is a Gujarati. वो तो गुजराती, बोली भाषा की पकड़ तो naturally आ जाती है. लेकिन हमेशा जैसे गुजरातियों की भी बात करें तो गुजराती जब हिंदी में बात करते हैं, अंग्रेजी में बात करते हैं लोग, कभी कभार एक्सेंट आ जाता है. और I remember once I was asked by someone that your name sounds Bengali, but your accent is not Bengali. Are you from UP? So how did you manage to ये गुजराती भाषा, क्योंकि गुजराती फोक संगीत फोक म्यूजिक भी जो है उसका लहजा, उसकी उठाने सब बहुत अलग हैं, तो वो मैनेज करना कितना आसान या मुश्किल था?
it is very tough actually, because since we grew up in Bengal, so we have grown up listening to Bengali folk, and since we also belong to Assam, so we know the Assamese culture as well.
वही हो जाती है, मतलब जो भाषा आप आसपास कम सुनते हो तो उसमें अडेप्ट करने में थोड़ी डिफिकल्टी तो होती है. बट आई थिंक 2020 ऑनवर्ड्स ना ये ऐसा हो गया था कि वी स्टार्टेड टेकिंग इट अप लाइक अ चैलेंज कि नए भाषा में गाएंगे, मजे आते हैं.
So that's how we actually covered also 29 languages, and every time we tried to venture into a new language or a new genre, we wanted to work hard and perfect it as much as we could.
So we actually spent a lot of time trying to get the pronunciations right. And of course, we had Parthiv sir, we had Janvi Di, we had Umangi ji help us, like not mess up the pronunciations. So yeah, that's how we are trying to do it.
So Janvi I was going to call you Janvi. No, I'm just joking. So Janvi, tell me, आप क्या सोचते हैं, आपके क्या विचार हैं ये पूरी चीज़ को लेकर? एक नई पीढ़ी है कलाकारों की जो जिनको लोगों तक पहुंचने के लिए ना ही लोगों को मेल लिखने पड़ते हैं, फ़ोन करने पड़ते हैं, चिट्ठियाँ लिखनी पड़ती हैं, दे आर देयर ऑन देयर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स एंड हम लोग उनकी रील्स देखते देखते सो जाते हैं एंड इट्स लाइक.
तो इस जनरेशन को मैं क्या कह सकती हूँ, बिकॉज they are so much better at making use of it. But I think that what's important to remember is that that you stay true to yourself while you still do these things, because these are the things that are in trend, or these are the things that you probably मैं इस generation को ज़्यादा तो कुछ बोल नहीं सकती, because ये generation already इतनी आगे है. जब हम इस उम्र के थे तो उसके कंपैरिजन में काफ़ी आगे हैं ये लोग. वेरी वेल इन्फॉर्म्ड, बिकॉज कितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है, इजीली एक्सेस है. यूट्यूब पे आप फ्री में कुछ आपको पैसे भी नहीं भरने, आपको अपनी तरह से क्रिएटिव होकर अपनी टैलेंट अपलोड करनी है यूट्यूब पर. तो बहुत आसान तरीके हैं आजकल, लेकिन क्योंकि ये तरीके इतने आसान हैं तो बहुत सारे लोग
बहुत सारे लोग हैं वो भीड़ में अपनी पहचान बनाना, एक वो कंसिस्टेंसी से वहाँ रहना.
करेक्ट. और वी हैव ग्रेट एग्जांपल्स लाइक दीज टू सिस्टर्स, बिकॉज क्योंकि नहीं, टू कट थ्रू सच अ बिग क्राउड you need to have something special about your talent, and that's what they've really shown, and they're consistent at it, which is very difficult to be consistent with it.
What do you think the audiences will feel after watching Taal Tarang?
I hope they feel a sense of pride, hoping that they'll all be Gujaratis, and it will remind them of how rich the culture or whatever music will be presented on stage. It will remind them of how proud they are, or they ought to be.
How rich we are when it comes to the music scene. Which was that one Gujarati song जिसको गाने में याद करने में ताल तरंग के लिए ये जो प्रेप करना था उसमें बहुत मुश्किल हुई.
मैंने यही क्वेश्चन पूछा आज सुबह.
only we had this discussion. Yeah. Mari Veni.
गा लो ना, रिहर्स हो जाएगा.
Palpitations.
Yeah, Mari Veni Ma.
Mari Veni Ma चार चार फूल.
We had such a tough time learning the song.
Yeah,
but it's such a beautiful song. It's a lovely song. And एक बार once you learn it, वो बैठ जाता है, like
you're constantly like humming it.
तो पार्थिव के साथ आप सबने काम किया है. पार्थिव को लेकर आपने जो चीज़ें नोटिस की हैं जो आपने अभी तक शेयर नहीं की है, something that you have noticed in him and that you think you can share, please.
You would have a lot more things.
Yeah,
to
I mean,
share.
I'm thinking, which one shall I pick? Which is the right thing to pick? Usually, it is the women who are very good at multitasking. But Parthiv is the only man I have seen multitasking, and how he does it so well, which is commendable. And you won't know how many tasks he's up to at a time. So I think that's the most standing out.
For us, in the limited amount of time that we've gotten with Sir, in the past 2 years, we've always gotten a very elder brotherly affection from him. I mean, so आजकल का टाइम ही ऐसा हो गया कि किसी के पास किसी और के लिए टाइम ही नहीं होता. And for someone like Parthiv sir, he has so much to do. So many things going on. And I remember we had this one call one time, and we were just like, we feel lost. We don't know what to do. And he's like, come home. And we, like, it just meant a lot to us, because we know people don't meet you for no reason unless there's work. And someone like Sir, who has so much to do, just taking out time the entire day to sit, have food, talk about not work
and everything else. Yeah, making you feel comfortable, giving you that.
So coming across
warmth.
people like that in itself, I mean.
Yeah, and I think what this quality has is that he can pick up a conversation with any person in the world.
And he has really supported us in everything, be it
like our personal
actually,
ventures.
yeah, we actually started this series called Gungunali, where
And we
we
were very unsure about it कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. And the first couple of episodes was Parthiv sir and Mansi ma'am. they were the other two people apart from Mama Baba who had trust in the series, and it's doing well now. But yeah, credit goes to them. As soon as we pitched it to them, they were like, नहीं होगा. First episode
very
हमारे
nice,
साथ.
very niच idea.
Yeah.
सो ताल तरंग की प्रिपरेशन में एनएमसीसी में ग्रैंड थिएटर में परफॉर्म करने की जो ये एक पूरी बात हुई है, विच इज़ दैट वन quirky thing that has happened, something that has stayed with you while you know prepared for Tal Tarang?
I think the very news that we are performing at NMACC at Grand Theatre was I think
It was damn overwhelming. Plus, I think we were just overwhelmed because, of course, the whole performing in Tal Tarang, NMACC, Parthiv sir, Janvi Didi, the entire stunning band. That plus getting to do all these amazing songs. A lot of these songs are actually songs that we are going to be performing for the first time. A lot of songs are songs we've heard for the first time. So it feels like a responsibility because for native Gujarati speakers, you've heard these songs over years and वो बैठ गया आपके अंदर. So it feels like a responsibility to be able to deliver, justify that. So I think yeah, it's that. We're just overwhelmed, really overwhelmed and excited.
I think it hasn't struck me yet, but now it is beginning to after this this chat that we're having. But in the last 2 weeks, wherever I've been socially in Bombay, you know, met a lot of people, maybe at a wedding or at a big family lunch or whatever. People have come up to me and, અરે તું એથના પરફોર્મ કરવાની છે, અમે તમારી ટિકિટ્સ લીધી કે પછી કોઈક લોકો કહેશે ટિકિટ્સ જ નથી, બધી સોલ્ડ આઉટ છે, પ્લીઝ અમને લઈ આવી આપ ટિકિટ્સ આ તે. તો બધા જ્યાં જતી હતી આ જ શોની વાતો કરતા હતા. તો મને એમ થયું wow, it's never happened to me in Bombay, in my own hometown, you know, where I'm performing. So that was really cool.
And it was lovely talking to all of you. Thanks a lot. Thank you and all the best for the show.
Thank you. Hope to see you there.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.